On a very regular basis, in the DTF industry, we hear of something that's new, revolutionary, game-changing. At DTF Superstore, we really don't like hyperbole. We don't like over-exaggeration. We want to tell you exactly what you're gonna get, how it's gonna work, the good, the bad, everything in between. But I recently saw an advertisement for a product that was saying it was gonna solve all of your problems. Well, maybe not all your problems, but make your DTF graphics feel a lot softer. And it's a little spray bottle. I saw it, I thought, that is the dumbest thing I've ever heard of, but people are gonna buy it, I'm sure, because we're all on that pursuit of the softest hand feel. So I bought it, I'm gonna test it and see what it does. I can't imagine that it's gonna do anything because it's a liquid that we're spraying on after the first press. But I've been surprised before. I thought sandpaper was one of the dumbest ideas for a second press material, and it worked actually really good. Let's give this a try. I've literally not tested this yet. I just got this yesterday. Let's press it for the first time. And I am using a graphic that has full coverage, a pretty decent amount of white underbase, because I really want to separate out what is graphic versus what this is doing. Because what we found is that the graphic is the biggest player in the softness of a transfer. So if you have a graphic with no knockout, kind of doesn't matter what else you do to it, you're gonna have a transfer that's not super soft. All right, so it says to spray this liquid on it. This feels like a bad idea. And FYI, I have smelled it. It smells a little bit like vanilla, which is funny. Okay, all right. So we're like reverse pre-treating, is that what we're doing? Okay, I don't know how much to put on there. I'll probably do a test later. Ugh, I'll probably put too much on there. Here, let me grab a. There we go, you can see some of the droplets on there. I might have gone a little bit too much, but let's see what happens. Now it says to put the Teflon down on it. It came with this little Teflon sheet. And let's do the second press. Smells like vanilla. Feels like I'm cooking, I'm baking something, maybe making some French toast. I'm in French toast with some vanilla. It literally smells like vanilla. I really don't know what's in this liquid. So I'd be interested to be able to find a chemical makeup of it. Okay, it looks like it all dried off. Okay. Let's let it cool off and we'll see what it feels like. Well, my entire showroom smells like vanilla now. It feels no different. It feels like a Teflon second pressed. This is just one thing. So I do have two more graphics because we got to do an A/B test. We can't just like press it and call it a day. And I've got these two super vibrant monster graphics. So let's put these on here. And I'm gonna separate them enough that I can press one with the special liquid and one with just parchment paper, which isn't the best, but works great in a pinch, and it'll give us a good kind of baseline of whether or not this stuff's doing anything. Again, I have no idea what is in it. It smells like vanilla. It's not like slimy or anything like that, so doesn't have any like oil-based anything going on in it, so I really have no clue. And it's one of the things that I don't love about some of these products that fly around out there is you don't know what's in it, and that's not always a great thing. So I'm gonna spray the top one. A little bit of that action, there we go. That looks all right. Okay. So I'm gonna put the Teflon on this, and then I got some in my mouth. Tastes like vanilla too. Yeah, it seriously smells so much like vanilla, and I wonder if they put that scent in there to mask other stuff, but I'm not smelling, and sadly I'm tasting a little bit. I'm not tasting any other scent or anything like that. So I don't know.
Future editing Jeremy here. I did try to see if it was flammable. It is not flammable, but I did try just to see if there was like maybe some kind of alcohol component or something that was flammable in there, but it is not flammable. Just FYI.
All right. I mean, gorgeous print, right? Yeah, that's off the new Roland TY300. Feeling it. I mean, it definitely feels different, but that's probably just the difference between pressing with Teflon versus the parchment. I see no difference, none whatsoever. So if you see a magic liquid that somebody's purporting that it makes graphics feel softer, more breathable, I see absolutely no difference. And maybe the manufacturer of this is watching this video and I didn't do something right or didn't optimize something, but quite frankly, optimizing the graphic is the #1 way that you can make a DTF graphic feel softer. The next way is to reduce your white underbase, which I have a video linked right over there somewhere on how to dial in your white underbase. Those are the two most critical things to give you a softer hand feel on your transfer. A liquid that you spray after the first press before the second press, other than smelling lovely like vanilla, it's a waste. Don't waste your money. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.